Well, we have a new invitee on our TV show today, Bobby Legate with Goosehead. That's a good name. I like your name. Goosehead Insurance. And you guys all know I'm a CFP. Well, when I took my CFP, I learned all the mistakes people make when they're buying insurance policies. And I see it all the time in our business because at the very last minute, people go, oh, I got to get an insurance policy, and then they slap any policy on it. What do you do?
Well, I definitely don't just do the slapping jobs. So realistically, I mean, the best way to pursue insurance is going to be to hit it up front. You never know what you're actually going to even run into. So if you wait till the last couple days of escrow closing, you may even find that the property itself had a prior water claim that nobody even disclosed.
Called a clue report.
Clue report, yes. It goes back for 7 years. So that can occur, and that throws an entire wrench in, can delay escrow. You can possibly lose your deposits, hard earnest money deposits, and it just turns into a nightmare. So our suggestion is always up front, do a discovery with your agent or your broker so that they understand dogs, your personal history, all your individual needs, because just like every house, every person is unique and an individual. So we always suggest doing it up front, doing your due diligence, and figuring out what you need.
We do something in our contracts that would really help you because we always require a clue report immediately, and it's right in our RPA, our real estate purchase agreement. So we know up front any issues, if there's been floods, if there's been anything. And so that would make your job a lot easier, right?
It certainly does.
Good.
Nothing like sending a quote saying approved and then you run that on the back end. You learn the hard way in the first couple years that you run that up front so that you eliminate those.
It's so very important because you never like to get that at the last minute and then no one will insure you, right?
Exactly.
So Bobby is going to be coming back and weekly, and he'll be having new topics for us every week, right?
Yes.
And I was thinking some of you people out there may have a good insurance question. Yeah. So maybe you can email me. That way we can get your questions and answer them on the show.
Yeah, I'd be happy to do so. There's going to be, I'm sure, a lot of topics. A lot of stories is what we usually get from prior claims, because a lot of people don't understand how insurance works until you need it, which is not the important time to be reading your policy. It's got to be before that. So yes, any questions you may have, or there's going to be a wide array of topics. The big one right now is fire insurance. With fire line scores, especially in Southern California. So,
big. Yeah,
bring on all the questions you've got. Be happy to answer them.
Fire is a good one. We should do that. And also I think we should do golf carts because people...
Oh, I'd love to.
That's a really important one. If people don't understand, we'll get them next week on that.
Okay.
Anyway, thanks for coming, Bobby.
Absolutely.
And I enjoyed having you on the show, and we'll see you next week.
Okay, wonderful.
Thank you
so much.
Bye.
I appreciate it.